It all started with a simple upgrade, changing the steering wheel from the standard one to something a little bit better, that leather flat bottom steering wheel. But once you get the taste of these types of upgrades, it's really hard to stop. So I kind of ended up ordering something that is a bit more unique, the carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel. I had it on the vehicle for more than 30 days, and in this video I'm gonna share with you some of my observations regarding the good, the bad, and hopefully be able to conclude and help you along in seeing if this type of upgrade is something that you want to test and have. This overall is a bit controversial. I've seen also the comments. People are considering it something from Temu, or not even considering installing such a thing on the F10. But once you see it in person, once you experience it, you might have a different opinion. So for those of you that want to order the product, links will be available below. For those of you that want to do a bit more research with regards to the airbag, there is also a link to a guide, a very detailed guide and a very important guide with regards to the safety of these types of upgrades. What else? If you also want a step-by-step install, you have even that one on the channel. Basically, you don't really need me to be able to do such a thing, but should you want to work with me, you can find me in the middle of the UK in Swindon. Contact details for that are also included. Okay, interesting upgrade. My first observation with regards to having this one is that the build quality is even better than the previous one. There are some small aspects with regards to having the carbon, the forged carbon, that makes this steering wheel feel more OEM. So we don't have that much leather that is stitched, so the overall feel is much better, much improved. After that, this combo, half Alcantara, half carbon, in my opinion is the ideal mix. You do not want everything to be this shiny cold material, and you don't want everything to be Alcantara, very delicate. So you can choose. In the days that your hands are a little bit greasier or something, you can sit with them on the carbon. When you want a more warm, fluffy feeling, you place them on the Alcantara. Also, evaluating the product overall, the quality of the buttons on this unit is much better. They feel more OEM than the previous units that I've tested. The previous issues with regards to the gapping or the surfaces not matching properly, they are not present on this unit. These were the good bits. Now let's discuss a little bit about the things that I don't really like that much about this one. I will start first with the paddles. In the beginning, they're really annoying. They're too big. If you're grabbing the steering wheel, you're gonna touch them and you get annoyed because you're changing the gears. My observation is that I will cut them. I want to make them smaller. On the lower bit, they're annoying. On the top bit, they're too much, especially because I'm driving a diesel and especially because I'm driving a 5 Series. I don't really find the need of changing the gears manually. For those of you that have the petrol engines, the M140, M240, the petrol M cars, yeah, maybe it has a nice feel to it when you're just changing the gears from absolutely any position that you want. You have access to them, but for a more standard drive, they're a bit annoying, they're a bit too much. Next thing to consider, although, and this video is more of a dichotomy video, because the same things that are good end up being bad to a certain extent. I love the combination, half, but for some reason, when it's cold outside, touching this type of carbon, it's really cold on the hands. So I find myself wanting to hold more the Alcantara. And this brings me to the conclusion that if you want a steering wheel like this, and if you live in a cold climate, you really want something that has the heating inside, because without the heating you are in big trouble. Again, that will complicate your existence because the retrofit is more complex. However, it is vehicle based. The 3 Series and those types of vehicles have an easier retrofit with regards to the heating. The 5 Series is a little bit more hardware involved if you want to get the heating. And the last bit, so in the beginning, I was saying the build quality is much better. Yes, it is much better on the bits that you're able to see. However, if you look at the steering wheel from a different angle, and I'm referring to this one, we are able to see that the gapping is a little bit strange and it's a little bit bigger than it should. So it is functional because it allows the airbag to travel and do its thing, but it's something that it's a little bit of a letdown to the overall experience of this steering wheel. Now, if we would have to conclude, and I know people just judging based on the pictures, they're saying that it shouldn't be on the 5 Series. It's a little bit harder to digest and to like it because I have lots of piano black trim. Now imagine that I'm changing this and placing some Alcantara on it. All of a sudden the steering wheel integrates better. Or if I am able to get the same type of pattern, the forged carbon on the sides, that would also make it more viable as a product. But that is a recipe for more complicated stuff, because after that I want to change all of these other elements and it might get expensive really fast. What else can I say? It's a very unique product. It's almost one of a kind. It gives personality to the vehicle, and I really see it as a must-have for the people that have the M3, M4, M5, the proper petrol, high revving, high performance vehicles. On those ones, this type of steering wheel comes to its own or makes the best impact on the overall feel of the vehicle. Also, you need to feel it and you need to experience it in person to actually appreciate it. It's one of those things that just in pictures, it doesn't really tell the full story. The Alcantara is really, really fluffy and nice. So overall, it's a good product, but it needs to make sense in your way of using the vehicle and on your vehicle. Okay, links for the products you have in the description. Make sure that you're using a proper airbag. If you do not want such an extreme upgrade, there is the leather steering wheel that we have covered on the channel that is quite decent. You will see me that I'm linking to different sellers. One of my observations is that even the same seller, when I'm buying these units for other customers of mine, even the same seller will send a different unit when you order it at a different date. So do not panic. Assess the unit that you're receiving and decide on a case-by-case scenario. Many times with these companies that are selling these steering wheels, they will have different batches, and there is absolutely no 100% guarantee that you'll be receiving the same product. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch the normal steering wheel install, and I'll see you in the next one.